Ah! Can I help you, sir? Cat is this? Whose cat is this, bro? Ah! You just slapped me in the nose, bro. Stop! Stop! Hey! I'm about to get killed. No! No, I'm just kidding. Chuck it out the window. I love my kitty cat. I mean, it's not mine, but you know, it loves me more than its actual owner. Ow! Hey! Look at this fucking thing, dude. He just wants to fucking play with my mice. Watch when I try to fucking play. Ah! Yo, this guy. Ow. Whoa. Bro, you trying to... I'll beat your ass, dog. You trying to flex, dog? Trying to fucking flex, bro? Or you trying to... How about that? Huh? Bah! Ow! Ow! Hi, little kitty cat. Oh my god. You wanna go down? Hey. What? Where else, buddy?